Why did you pick Farrah exactly?
Honestly, it was the picture that she wanted done. I mean, it kind of spoke the emotion, and that's really why I picked her. I really liked it. What it was a picture of her daughter hugging her little poodle. Okay. And so it's like their two favorite things, you know? So the whole tattoo was basically to express her love for her daughter and her dog. I think it was great.
That's awesome. I remember the guy that won, and we picked him, and you couldn't pick just one winner.
Holy shit. My bad.
You're good.
Batman, live in effect. This wasn't even planned.
How's it going, Dax? Good to see you.
Dude, you're live and in the flesh right now.
Yeah.
How you doing? So what are we doing here?
We were doing something for the Mascot Miracles Foundation, where we're bringing in 20 families right now that have kids that are dealing with terminal illnesses or diseases and that kind of stuff, and we're giving them free ice cream at Sub-Zero.
Dude, that's sick.
So,
oh yeah.
We're actually working on getting a TV show made right now. We're actually talking to Discovery.
Dude, send me a link when you got some info. I'll share it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then hopefully I'll have time to get all this taken care of up there. But
dude, it still looks
it's
perfect.
doing good, yeah.
Hell yeah. Cool. All right. Well, let's get in touch.
All right, cool.
All right, brother.
Have a good one.
You too. That's crazy. We just saw him. Did you actually? Was the camera on when you did that?
Yeah, we got some footage of him. It's cool he's helping people out like that.
Yeah, dude, that was my client. He's actually a videographer, so I'm gonna send him this video later on. That's gonna be dope.
Sick.
It's crazy though. This town's too small. It's a good thing. I'm just fucking stoked to see it. I want to see how it looks without the redness. Like, that's the key. That's how I know that I really succeeded at doing what I'm doing.
Oh yeah.
Yep. And there's another person. How's that feel, man?
Like I'm getting stabbed.
This first tattoo?
Second.
First. Alright. Here for the moral support. Looks good, Jake. Look at this. Hold on.
I mean, as long as you want. We probably have to finance the rest.
How are you? Oh, you smell good.
Thanks.
Yeah. Look at that.
Got here.
Look at that beautiful thing.
You just finished washing it? I want to take some pictures.
So I was about to do it too.
Beautiful.
And I'll do the interview with her.
Alright.
So it's your daughter and your dog?
Yeah, so that was like my first baby. Sorry, that was my first baby. And then she pretty much adopted her. Yeah, so they're like best buddies.
That's sick. Wow. One of your patrons. Patrons.
Yes.
Come over here. I want to see it in the light.
I'm bleeding right now. That is weird, huh? I wonder why I'm bleeding. Because he didn't feel like he did it.
I'm just teasing him. That is shit.